depression. In Southeast Asia, we had a big number of cases of suicide in World Health Organization in Indo-Asia News Friday, April 7, 2017, New Delhi. With depression being the biggest causes of suicide and the highest 15 to 29 years old, in Southeast Asia, the World Health Organization on Thursday called for scaling up the quality and reach of mental health service of tackle depression. For today, why I telling you this? Depressive disorders are among the most common mental health problems in the world. Depression impacts patient life, physical health, and well-being, and people must seek help from medical providers first. Clinical and vital in helping patients understanding their symptoms and seek appropriate treatment. Is estimated that around 10% of people will at some point in their lives suffer from depression or mood disorder characterized by several symptoms feeling sad, distressed, and unmotivated. Tired and losing interest in one's pleasurable activities known as anhedonia. Many people with depression also suffer from anxiety. It receives a lot of stigma because people who have not experienced depression will make instant judgment without educating themselves about what causes a person to experience depression. It is an illness, not a choice. Connection. For the example, social abuse such as bullying and defined as action of singled out causes harm on vulnerable individuals in order to capture Today, observation of the relationship between the damaging abuse, the victim mental health and depressive mood. A study was conducted of whether individuals will have a higher level of depressed mood when exposed to daily acts of negative behavior. The result concluded that being exposed daily to abusive behaviors such as bullying has a positive relationship to depressed mood on the same day. Persistent depressive disorder, also called dysthymia, is a depressed mood that lasts for at least 2 years. A person diagnosed with persistent depressive disorder may have episodes of a major depression along with periods of less severe symptoms, but symptoms must last from 2 years. Consider persistent depressive disorder.
My name is Darshana Malad. My course is SFG. Causes of depression. Despite of numerous amount of research, it is not yet known what is the exact cause of depression. There are many factors that are involved such as biological, kinetic, situational, hormonal. Biological, there are 3 parts of brain that are affected: hippocampus, amygdala, prefrontal cortex. Neuroimaging studies reveal that many brain circuits that normally regulate mood are dysregulated in depression. Located deep within the brain, the amygdala processes highly salient stimuli such as reward and positional traits. In depression, the amygdala is overactive and responsible experience the negative events. In turn, the amygdala connects to the set of brain regions that hone the physiology and behavioral response to emotional stimuli. These areas include the medial prefrontal cortex, the nucleus accumbens, the hippocampus, and the insula. The hippocampus is involved in memory formation, and along with the prefrontal cortex is particularly vulnerable to the effects of stress. Depressed people are more susceptible to stress, which can cause physical changes in the brain, including atrophy of hippocampus. These and other changes depressed people may cause inappropriate responsible to emotional events. The medial prefrontal cortex is involved in regulating how strongly we react to emotional stimuli. Treatments such as antidepressant drugs, cognitive behavioral therapy, and electroconvulsive therapy affect the structure or function of these and another brain regions. Biological context. Depression is caused by a disruption of chemical in the brain of most notably serotonin. Kinetics. Depression is more common in people whose blood relatives are also have this condition. Situational. Any type of trauma, big change or struggle in life can trigger a case of depression, such as being fired from a job, having financial troubles, or undergoing a serious change can have a big impact on people. Serious or chronic illness, including cancer, stroke, chronic pain, and heart diseases.
My name is Nosafa binti Muhammad Suhaili and I course from SFG. Effect of depression. Most cases are mild for severe weak and are easily treated with medication and thought therapy for 6 months or less. However, without treatment, depression may lead to severe chronic condition. Learn to chronic mental illness, substance abuse. These behaviors can lead to liver damage, kidney failure, and death by accidental overdose, cardiovascular damage, and suicide. Depression usually starts between the age of 15 and 13 and is much more common women. Women can also get postpartum depressed after the birth of a baby.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Akadanian. I'm taking photography digital. Ways to overcome depression. In order to manage your symptoms of depression, seeking help from your health care providers is the first step. The physician collecting medical history. Physician can refer you to see a specialist for psychiatric evaluation, antidepressants, psychotherapy, lifestyle and home remedies, exercise, eat healthy activities. Prove your sleep, depression and insomnia are closely linked, and improving sleep has been shown to positively impact depression symptoms. One study showed that 87% of people who completely resolve their sleep problems also resolve their depression symptoms. Practice good sleep hygiene, gadget screen off before bed. Calm environment, lastly decrease caffeine. Thank you.
And as for the conclusion, depression is commonly presented to who feel that the diagnosis often involves the suppression of a normal reaction to environment and through illness. For those patients living in socio-economically deprived environment, the problems and therefore the depression are seen to be insoluble. This has an important implication for the construction of education intervention around improving the recognition and treatment of the depression in primary care. Some doctors may be recruited to recognize and respond to such patient in that because of the much wider structure of social